Josh, the Incredible Hulk, Hockett will be fighting Max Jimenez, and Max Jimenez having a record of 6-1-0 out of Allison City, Maryland, the United States of America. He destroyed Diego Pecora, John Ott, and he was really, really good in his fights. This fella having top tier grappling experience. On the other side, Josh Hockey destroyed Spencer Smith, Sean Rose, John Lopez, Ezekiel Atu, Guillermo Muriel, and Eric Lansford, and I'm confident these guys will go for all or nothing. Like Jimenez needs the submission. It's super hard to get a submission against George Crockett, so I'm pretty confident that Jimenez is going to try to take him down. But Crockett can also knock him out, so I'm giving slight advantage to Josh Crockett. But this is going to be a good scrap, very good scrap.